Hello, everybody. This is Andrea Neff with the Dickerman team of Keller Williams Real Estate. I am bringing to you a brand new listing that we have to do a virtual open house. So, what better way to tour a house than sitting on your own couch and enjoying the tour? I'll answer any questions that you have actually at the end. So, at the bottom comment area, if you have any questions along the way, just dump them in there, and either myself or a team member that might be on the watch party will answer any questions that you have along the way as quickly as we can. If we cannot answer it for you, we'll definitely get that information for you as quickly as we can. So, this is a different way of doing open houses, but I think still very effective. Although we're just going through the photos, I'm going to give you a little bit more detail about the home and highlight some things that we love about the house. So basically, this is right in Pottstown Borough. It's 328 North York Street. Zip code is 19464. Again, it's right in the borough, so it's walking distance to shops and restaurants, that kind of thing. And I have the Google Earth image and a Google Maps image so you can see the street view and all of that as well during this call. But it's on a beautiful tree-lined street, very quiet, lots of parking, and it does have a detached two-car garage off the back. So, you don't need on-street parking, but, it seems to be very available, if needed, if you need extra parking. It's on this it's surrounded by, other beautiful homes, really well-maintained street, and the curb appeal is just awesome on this house. You don't see a lot of homes in Pottstown Borough where they have like this little cute garden and it's got this little decorative fence and all that. The front porch is really well-maintained. It's got this wooden glass frame storm door and, awning on the front as well for additional shade. The character and charm in this home is what I love the most. I mean, when you look at this window right here, these are features that you don't find in, every home. So let's step inside and go through these pictures. First, we've got the living room. So you step right into the living room. In this home, there are original hardwoods almost throughout the whole home. So basically on the first floor, you've got hardwoods through the living and dining room. The kitchen is tiled, and then the hardwoods go up the stairs into the second level. You've got hardwoods there, as well as the top level where you have two additional rooms, which could either be used as bedrooms or you could change them into extra spaces like a den or, things like that. So technically it's a 5-bedroom, 1 full bath, and 1 half bath. So this is the living room. It's got really nice tall ceilings, neutral color palette throughout, and I just adore these really large arch doorways. It kind of gives you that open feel with a traditional floor plan. Sorry, I keep using my arrows. So, okay. This is just a different angle. So again, this is right off the porch. If we lifted these blinds, you'd see out past the front porch. It is radiant heating with oil. Love this formal dining room. Again, it gives a real richness to the home. And I think my favorite part about this dining room is this staircase exposed. So you've got kind of this cascading area at the base. It's hardwoods all the way up the steps. And I personally just love this banister, the ornate detail in there. It's really, really pretty. Off of the dining room, I'll bring you back here. The view out this window goes to like a little tiny courtyard that leads to the backyard. There's another view from a different angle. In the kitchen, it is very, very large in the kitchen. So although you don't have a ton of counter space right here, this is not attached, this extra granite topped rolling cart, that's not attached to the home, but obviously there's plenty of space to add something like that in to give you the extra counter space, prep area, what have you. It's got gas cooking. Really cool corner cabinet right there. And then the refrigerator is like behind us if you're looking at this image. This door right here leads to the powder room. And then this door leads to that, again, that courtyard that leads to the backyard. There's another angle to see the refrigerator. Lots of natural light in this room for sure. And then this is your entrance to an unfinished basement. That's where your laundry is and all that. Powder room has been updated. You've got new fixtures, vanity, medicine cabinet here for extra storage. And then we go up that upper level off the dining room, and this is the master bedroom. So again, there are original hardwoods in these rooms, really spacious bedrooms, big closets. This is the second bedroom, and actually newer carpet has been installed this year. This is probably the smaller of the 3 bedrooms on the second level. So it's great for a nursery or an office. This is the third bedroom on the main level. Again, hardwood. So underneath these carpets, I would say that there's hardwood under there as well. This is the hall bath. It's got a tub shower combo. And then this is the upper level with those 2 extra spaces, which would be ideal to use again as like a play space, an extra den. Kids are playing video games all the time now, so it's like a gaming den, or it could make a really great office. So this is the backyard. Again, like I said earlier, there is a detached 2-car garage. So that's what this is right here. It's oversized, so you could use it for storage as well. Great backyard. I love this, tall, mature tree. You've got landscaping here to put some gardens. It's level. Got a walkway here. And again, on both sides, you've got that decorative fencing. This shows just a different angle. So that's, right off of the kitchen. And that's the window from the dining room. You can put a little patio set here. It's got a little passageway from the front, but it's closed off. So it's kind of making it a little bit more private. And then you've got Bilco doors to the lower level for easy access. It's another image of the detached garage. And then you can just see they just closed this off, so it's a little bit more attractive and private, so you're not looking at, a dark alley. And that is 328 North York Street. I'm just gonna quick pull up the Google Earth view so you can see generally where the location is. If you're familiar with Pottstown, you have Memorial Park. So it's not too far from there. And then again, it's not too far from Hanover Street. So I can kind of zoom in. So you can see the surrounding area. It's just on this corner. Parking lot across the street. And again, you can pretty much, just a couple blocks to Memorial Park. We've got the river, all that. I'm just gonna quick pull up lastly, just a street view that you can see the neighboring properties, the street as itself and all that. So you've got, again, right here, you're in the center of these other 2 beautifully maintained units. It's just, again, a quiet street. You can see the amount of parking, and it looks like there's a parking garage, or not parking garage, a parking lot across the way, but I'm not sure. It might be for housing here. I don't know if you'd be able to, if you have guests and that kind of thing. I don't think parking would ever be an issue on this street. I don't know who that is. She could be your neighbor. So that is it. So basically, I'll review all of the questions that you've asked in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about this property or how to actually virtually tour the property, we're happy to set you up with that. The home is occupied by the owners. So the listing agent is Julie Powers with the Dickerman team, and we can definitely schedule some type of virtual showing if you are interested. The price is $115. It is, again, a brand new listing in Pottstown Borough. If you have additional questions that you just, want to ask us, you could, like I said, you can put it in the comment box, or you can also email us after the watch party at info@dickermanteam.com. And our office number is 610-363-4383. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you enjoyed looking at this beautiful home.